Welcome to today's Islamic quiz. You will hear 5 multiple-choice questions. Think carefully and try to answer before the correct option is revealed. Let's get started. MCQ 1. Which is the longest surah in the Quran? A. Surah Al-Baqarah. B. Surah Yasin. C. Surah Al-Kahf. D. Surah Al-Fatiha. Answer: A. Surah Al-Baqarah. MCQ 2. How many months are in the Islamic calendar? A. 10B, 11C, 12D, 13. Answer: C. 12 MCQ. 3. What does Islam mean? A. Peace and submission. B. Worship only. C. Fasting. D. Prayer. Answer: A. Peace and submission. MCQ 4. Which prophet built the Kaaba with his son? A. Prophet Nuh, A.S. B. Prophet Ibrahim, A.S. C. Prophet Musa, A.S. D. Prophet Isa, A.S. Answer: B. Prophet Ibrahim, A.S. MCQ 5. Which month is fasting in? A. Muharram. B. Ramadan. C. Dhul Hijjah. D. Rabiul Awwal.